Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. We're going to do a fun Bumblebee DIY. Here is what we're using, this cool background surface, which is one of my wood cutouts. You can get it at the Etsy shop, CreativeWoodCutsShop, and it has a cool subway tile pattern, and I am just whitewashing it with some of our bright white chalk paste and water using our artist tool set paintbrush. I also whitewashed the Bumblebee cutout right there. So now I'm taking our detail tool and I'm just cleaning out the seams there. If you're new, comment VIP for the link to my free group. We'll welcome you in there every Tuesday and enjoy all the ideas, inspiration, and insider information. All right, so now I'm going to take a little bit of black chalk paste and water, and I am going to paint the border. This is actually the frame that's going to go around the original surface. So I'm going to hot glue those on, dry it first, and then we'll get those hot glued on there. We'll go ahead and hot glue that now. Of course, all the wood cutouts that you see here are from the Etsy shop, CreativeWoodCutsShop. The transfers that we're using today, you can earn them for free. All you have to do is ask me how in the comments. Of course, that's only good through June 30th, 2022. So if you're watching this after June 30th, you can no longer get these for free. All right, so our Bumblebee, let's check that out. We're going to go ahead and use that iPad as a light box so I can line up. And then I'm just going to chalk it in black. I'm squeegeeing over the silk screen, super easy. And when I peel that away, we're going to have this really cool Bumblebee. Of course, we are doing the black and white look, the neutrals today. Hey, you want to try this out? Comment sample to get the link to pick up your own sample. Now I'm just going to hot glue this together on my surface. You guys, this has been so much fun. It's such a cute project. Go ahead and check out CreativeSarah.com for more information. And thanks for watching.